We're there again. I want to know, say, from when you there with me, it's not by accident. So watch the video, guys. Max the length. So here what I want to know for do. Like while watching.
To the end, no stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Take in the intro.
We soon forward.
We soon forward.
Yes, guys.
You see that?
Welcome back, guys. So from you see the title, yes, guys, you don't know the video, what is all about today. So make we get right in the ingredients them though. We have our bell pepper, onion, shrimp, salt and pepper, garlic, and our ramen noodle. As we go along, you'll see the rest of the ingredients.
Yeah, guys, so that one here, I got epic today, guys. And what we are using, I was a beef ramen noodle. We're going to get Asian stir-fried shrimp spaghetti. And we're using the ramen noodle to the back, guys. You can use any spaghetti you like, but me prefer this. So, come on, we get this in the water now, guys. Watch what I go on. Just forward with it.
Yeah, guys, look at that. The water approaching boiling point, so we'll just add this noodle.
Yeah, guys, I make this boil for 2 minutes because we don't want it too soft. We want it al dente because we're going to cook it again. So, stay tuned, watch what I go on, and remember, follow the recipe to the end and watch the video to the end, guys. And if you drink, I get a special. You don't know the shrimps. So,
if you don't know the shrimps, you not know the thing go. So we'll have Pepsi was so forward.
So forward.
Yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. Perfect, like how we want him. So ready, him ready. So we're gonna remove this from the heat and drain the water, and we're gonna get on with the shrimp.
Yeah, guys, this is a very simple dish. Just watch how I go on. It got epic and I know I'm gonna love it. Feel free to try. Yeah, guys, so now we're gonna add some oil to the pot. Sesame oil was best, but we're kind of out of that right now, so let's use some regular oil.
Yes, guys. And drop it down below in the comment section any cooking video you want to see us do. Yeah, guys, we have some epic videos coming for you guys, you know, so make sure you subscribe, you like, and you click that notification bell.
Yeah, man, so don't go nowhere now. Show style, get some caramel popcorn, guys, cause we just have the oil go on add to get in the seasoning, so we're soon forward again.
So forward.
Yes, guys, so now we're going to season the shrimp with just some salt and pepper. Keep it simple.
In everything we do, we must have flavor and taste.
And a little chopped garlic.
You don't know, guys, we keep our seasoning simple and natural as possible. A little oil. Spread that seasoning. Massage it in.
Alright, guys, so now we're going to get this in the pot. Forward.
Guys, you notice the oil at the right temperature like how we like it, so we'll just submerge these shrimp. Sizzle my nizzle.
Guys, we want these shrimp to cook right through, straight through. So that's really the plan before we add the chopped seasoning. So watch how I go on. That one I got epic.
Yeah, guys.
I'm telling you, guys, when you get a pen and paper,
write it down.
Sure.
We're going to create the history, guys, on the platform here.
I will say the epic thing then. And over here, so first you not going to see that one. So take it easy.
Alright, guys, so we are catching you back when the shrimp fully cooked through and we add the rest of the seasoning. Alright, so don't go nowhere, we'll so forward.
Yeah, guys, so we're there again. So now we're going to start add the chopped seasoning, like what we tell us. So we're going to start with some more garlic. In.
Yes, guys.
And remember, everything.
You don't know, Chef Reed, everything. So yeah, guys, may I tell you the aroma coming from this is a perfume for the kitchen. Bell peppers.
In.
Yeah, guys. Tell me how you think the plating for this is gonna turn out. Onions.
In.
Yeah, guys. Yeah.
guys. Got that coming together nicely. Hey, my nose are thick like Jackie Chan right now. You should have there, guys. That one here, EPIC.
Epic. Look at the colors, guys. You have that green. You have that hint of white. You have that little orangish reddish color from the shrimp. And you don't know the aroma for top that off is everything.
Yeah, guys, so I'm going to add some pepper flakes because we want a little spice in this, and we're not using no scotch bonnet, no cayenne, just pepper flakes.
Yeah, guys. To keep the thing balanced though.
Put another sauce. Alright, guys, what do you think I come next?
Where you think I come next? Me know, but you don't know.
So I'm going to add a little mushroom soya sauce, guys. Just a little.
Because the mushroom soya sauce is very strong, guys. So you use just a little, carry it far away. Look at that.
Tip a little holes in it.
Yeah, guys.
And last but not least, guys, I'm going to add a little oyster sauce. So you see why we have to balance everything because all of them sauce here, black. And just a tip.
Guys, you don't know, flavor equals taste, and taste. Yeah, guys, I saw you go out lick your finger when you're done, you know.
Give me one plus. Because I don't want to see the magic in everything. You see the color coming together nicely, right? Yeah, loving this. Give everybody a turn.
Everybody gets some of that love.
Alright, so you know what we're going now, guys? You don't know what we're going?
You know what I want?
I'm going to add the ramen noodle. Talk to me, huh?
Yeah, guys.
Ghana, we are China now.
Yeah, guys, send that video. You go China, Asia, everywhere.
Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to draw what now for there. Something there.
What you think, guys? That's something there. Why that's something there?
Remember this?
Yeah, that's the thing that come in the pack, the beef flavoring. That's what we're talking about.
I will not use too much right. Just a
little.
Toops.
Toops.
See that? Just a toops.
Toops. Look at that. Everything coming together nicely.
Half teaspoon sugar. Just half. Alright. Tell you guys are very simple.
Simple, easy, elegant. And not to mention classy.
I'm not done yet, guys. I'm not done. So I feel like I'm done.
Warm with just a warm up.
A little shrimp stock. Not too much.
You can use vegetable stock if you have that as well, guys. That's acceptable.
Get everything in.
Guys, I feel like I'm there Asia. I feel like I'm there Japan, you know? One of them Japan restaurant there. Tell me if that not get a vibe there.
Got that.
Yes.
Beautiful. Chopstick style. Who know feet with chopsticks around here? Alright, so right now, guys, we're done see what I want. So we're going to get on with it.
Banger plate in.
Oh, no, don't go nowhere.
So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section. So forward.
So forward.
From your city plate, you don't know what time it is. Start drop the banger comments them. Keep them coming.
Alright, so what you are going? We'll start today. Look at that.
Noodles. Look at that nice sheen, man. Tell me if this not going to Asian China vibe. And that's the intention, guys. So you're supposed to know, dish well executed.
Over here, so first,
Wanna see this?
I have a little more idea with the ramen, guys.
So if you want simple challenges like this or simple videos like this, you can just comment it down below and let us know. Shrimpy, shrimpy, shrimpy. Yes, guys.
Yeah, I want to have that, guys. I change the style. I want him up on top.
Up the so.
Up here, some want him.
King Kong, you know. You want to put up on top.
That one I know just catch him, so. Tell me what you think.
Take him off or make him stay.
Take it. Alright, you want. So, then.
Well, like him want to steal the man shine, so.
So. And so.
Chopstick vibe.
Yeah.
You just need the chopstick now.
Alright, guys. So, I know the banger garnish will come now. But not forget everything in to order. Talk to me, eh?
Mr. Chin. Hey guys, Mr. Chin, Miss Chin, Cousin Chin, Auntie Chin.
All type of chin.
All my chin on me a scratch too. Yes, guys.
Alright, so we're gonna start with some greens.
Ooh la la. Muy bien, muy bien. Yeah, guys, so just let me know.
Plate one clean up, but may I finish garnish first, girl. Guys, so wanna just bear with me.
You know a rotation. Look at that. Properly cooked shrimp. Garnish.
Right there.
Look at that, guys. Elevation and levels. Look at that.
Levels to the thing, guys. You know this.
Right there, so.
Right there, so she.
Yes, guys. And I love the support that we're getting down in the comment section down below, guys. I really appreciate it, and sometimes someone don't really watch the video to the end, so we not gonna hear the appreciation. But that's how it goes. So if you're there right here, so now, and yeah, appreciate the support where you know give me, I like how me I appreciate it too. Just drop appreciation in the comment section.
Yeah, guys. So we know, so we hear that part there.
And give the video a big thumbs up based on execution.
You know, I never expect this. I'll clean it up now, guys, and get a rotation.
We're so forward. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look on it good. Look on it good. Rotation there. I love this. I'm loving it. Art in its own form. Perfection at its finest. Everything about this video, this plating, fantastic.
EPIC.
Epic. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yes, guys. And ensure that you're following us on Instagram, because we post the pictures of the plating over there. So just check the description for our Instagram. Show us some love, like up the pictures, drop the banger comments over there as well. So we just gonna leave you know with a bang. Until next time,
Bye, foodies. Bang, bang, boom.